This is Mr. Holding. This quick video is just looking at how to conduct a pH test on soil for task 2 for our assignments. So basically I've got the equipment needed here. I've got my pH meter, I've got my calcium sulfate, and I've got my universal indicator, and I've also got a white background to help me show. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get a soil sample, small soil sample, and you only need a very small one. So the mistake I know I've made in the past is by being a little bit ambitious and getting a big thing, thinking that more is better, but in fact actually less is better. Okay, so we only need, a small amount like that. That's heaps, more than heaps. Okay, what I'm then going to do is going to get my universal indicator, put 3 drops in, and then I'm going to break it up. Okay. Now you can already see, if I get down nice and close, you can already see that blue colour starting to come through. Okay, just around the edges there to indicate that it's slightly alkaline, but we'll put a little bit of calcium sulfate. Mix it in. Okay, and you can start to see that that calcium sulfate is starting to go a particular colour. Now, if we compare that to our indicator chart, I'll zoom back out, refocus, we can see that it's probably around here. So we've got a pH of about 8. Okay, and I've got another sample over here. I've got a couple of other different colours as well. Alright, and we can see how this one over here is somewhere around these two. Okay, so you can see the red, and particularly the red on the paddle pop stick, okay, matches the red on these two. So it's somewhere between 4 and 5. So I can say that this one here is pH of between 4 and 5, whereas this one over here, or my sample from earlier, is around that pH of 8. Alright? So that's how we conduct our soil test. So the main thing obviously being is you only need a small amount of soil. Okay, so just at the end of it, paddle pop stick is fine. Add the universal indicator, mix it through really well, and then add a small amount of the calcium sulfate, and then compare that to your pH chart, and you should be able to identify the pH of your soil. I hope you found this helpful.